Hello, folks. Day before yesterday, I have seen Joe Biden speech in English speech channel. While I was watching, I observed some new words. Then I noted down in my notebook, and I have added those screenshots in this video also. To learn them, just follow after me. Fill your vocabulary bucket with these words. Guys, let me explain you why you should follow this channel. In this generation, everybody has a basic grammar knowledge about English. Some of them also know how to make sentence formation. But the only problem they face while speaking is the vocabulary. If we are familiar with vocabulary, we can able to speak flawless English over a time. I hope I made you clear. By the way, I'm not insisting you guys. I'm just explaining how it's gonna work. The first word is reap. Synonyms are receive, gain, gather, get. In Telugu, ఫలితం పొందడం లేదా సమకూర్చడం. In Hindi, ఫల్ భోగ్న. The first example is his practice every day and reaped the benefit in the final match. The second word is I'm going to reap huge benefits through this vocabulary. The next word is grim. Synonyms are terrible, horrible and cruel. In Telugu, గంభీరమైనది లేదా భయంకరమైనది. In Hindi, గంభీర్. First example is everyone afraid to see Undertaker grim look. Second one is bungee jump is a grim adventure. The next word is relish. The synonyms are enjoy and pleasure. In Telugu we can say అమితమైన ఆనందం లేదా ఎక్కువ ఆనందం. In Hindi, pasand. Okay, let's see the first example. After a final match, they are relishing with the victory. The second example is I have booked the movie tickets to relish my weekend. Next word is beleaguered. Synonyms are troubles and difficulties. తెలుగులో మనం ఇబ్బందులు అంటాం. In Hindi, పరేషాన్. The first example is a beleaguered man cannot afford good facilities. World Bank helping to beleaguered countries. The next word is compassion. Synonyms are sympathy and concern. In Telugu, we can say that karuna, jali. In Hindi, daya. Okay, let's see the first example. Psychos doesn't show compassion towards victim before they kill. Second example is police showed compassion towards a old woman by helping to cross the road. The next word is ebb and flow. Synonyms are in and out and rise and fall. In Telugu, హెచ్చుతగ్గులతో కూడినది కమ్ జ్యాదా హోనా. Example 1. Sensex points are in a ebb and flow situation. Second one is life is a full of ebbs and flows. The second word is coalition. Synonyms are partnership, union, association, alliance. In Telugu, కొంతమంది ఒక గ్రూప్గా ఏర్పడడం ఒక అవసరం కోసం. In Hindi, we can say Gadbandhan. The first example is a defensive coalition between India and Russia. The second one is a multi-party coalition ruled the country. Okay, I will explain you. In an election, if there is no party has won with majority, then two major parties should rule in a combined manner. The next word is rhetoric. Synonyms are oratory, eloquence. In Telugu, वाक्चातुर्यम, बात करने का तरीका. Okay, let's go to the examples. Modi's speeches often use rhetoric to provoke emotional response of audience. Second example is I have a dream. Speech shows Martin Luther King rhetoric. The next word is owe. Owe simply meaning is be in debt. In Telugu, రుణపడి ఉండడం లేదా బాకీ ఉండడం. In Hindi में अबारी होना. The first example is I owe you for helping in my low situation. Let's see the second example. I owe it to Justin to explain what is happened. Okay, I will explain you in the simple terms. He's supposed to explain to Justin, but he didn't explain that. That's what I am expressing through the example. The last word is beacon. Synonyms are lamp and guide. In Telugu, మనం దారి చూపేది అంటాం. In Hindi, రాస్తా దిఖాతా. Example 1 is Google is a beacon for internet necessary. Last example is my father is a beacon for my family.